I had an amazing time on a food tour in Hanoi with my guide, Anya, and I highly recommend her. The tour was a fun adventure, packed with delicious food and unique spots I'd never have found alone. Anya's talent for choosing hidden gems in Hanoi's busy streets made every stop special. Her knowledge of the local food scene was impressive, and her stories about each dish and place brought the experience to life. It was just us two, but it never felt awkward. Anya's warm, friendly vibe made me feel at ease, like hanging out with a friend. She was engaging, attentive, and truly passionate about Hanoi's culinary culture. The pacing was spot on, the food was fantastic, and the memories are unforgettable. I can't wait to recommend Anya's tour to anyone visiting Hanoi. I'd love to do it again with a friend, as it's too good not to share. For a fun, personal, and memorable food tour, Anya is the one to choose. We got Tom as our tour guide. Really friendly and responsive to our questions. He even shared some local issues, asked about children of Sapa, on top of introducing us to the best food places in Old Quarter. Apparently he's graduating tourism this December. He will surely be a great tour guide in the coming years. As for the tour itself, it was chill and laid back. Appreciate the old locals who pushed us on the cartwheel/bicycle ride. Totally enjoyed the vibe. Value for money 20/10. This is really something that any tourists in Hanoi should not miss. We love the entire experience and all the authentic Vietnamese cuisine that we were able to taste, plus the Cyclo ride. Our guides Ruby and Billy have been very nice and warm also. Me and my friends had a great time. The tour includes us walking to different food stalls around Old Quarter. Our guide Stella is very knowledgeable about the places and shared how to drink Vietnamese coffee properly, as well as how to make and eat spring roll with many vegetables, mango and sausages. I forgot the name, but really nice experience, as we also get to sit on kinder chairs to end the trip. We rode Cyclo ride to our hotel. The elderly Cyclo drivers are careful in driving. They asked a small tip after the trip. The street food walking tour was fantastic, with 4 delicious and satisfying dishes. Lucas, our knowledgeable and energetic guide, made the experience even better. Thank you for the warm welcome, Lucas. The train street experience was so exciting as well. Don't miss this tour, book it now. Our Hanoi street food walking tour with Cyclo ride was so worth it. Our guide Jenna was so nice and knows everything. I admire her passion and dedication to her work. She's easy to talk to. We're able to experience not only the Vietnamese cuisines but also living vicariously Hanoi through Jenna. A highly recommended tour, and we will definitely book this tour again next time. We also loved the Cyclo ride. Getting around the Old Quarter was on another level. This tour was super fun and a memorable one. Thank you, Jenna. Smile.